Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello my students, how are you today? Our lesson is Unit 4, Beautiful Nature, Phonics Practice, page 91. My name is Badr Sweden, with me teacher Saleh Al-Aujan. Okay, what we will learn today? You will learn how to read words with the letters A and A with E. Also, read words with the letters I and I with E. Okay, so before we start, let's make a revision for the last lesson. So, number one, listen, read, and say. Listen, read, and say. Okay, so we have C and G jingles. C and G jingles. So we have two letters here, C and G. Okay, the sound of C is K. The sound of G is G. Okay, so C says K, K, cat. C says K, K, cat. What is cat? Yes, this is a cat. Okay, so C says K, K, cat. Excellent. Okay, C says K, K, cake. C says K, K, cake. What is cake? Yes, this is a cake. Okay, so C says K, K, cake. C says K, K, cap. C says K, K, cap. What is cap? Yes, this is the cap when you put it over your head. So this is what? A cap. So C says K, K, cap. Excellent. Okay, now let's move to G. So G says G, G, goat. G says G, G, goat. What is goat? Yes, this is a goat. Goat. Okay, so G says G, G, goat. Okay, G says G, G, gorilla. G says G, G, gorilla. Okay, what is a gorilla? This is the gorilla here. Okay, so this is gorilla. Okay, G says G, G, girl. G says G, G, girl. So this is the girl. Okay, she's with his father. So this is the girl. Girl. Excellent. Okay, now we have number two. Listen, point, and say. Write. Write. GR, CR, GL, or CL. Okay, so you will listen, and after that you can write the missing letters. Okay, are they GR or CR, GL, or CL? Okay, this is the first one here. Okay, do you know it? You can find it in a school. It's called, yes, class. Excellent. Okay, and this is a small animal, and this is called crab. Excellent. And we have this glass of water. Excellent. So we have glass here, and we have grass. We have grass. Okay, so the first one here says what? It's missing two letters. Okay, so let's listen and tell me after that, are they GR, CR, GL, or CL? Okay, let's listen.
Class. Class.
Okay, what are the missing letters here? Excellent. So it's what? CL. So it's what? It's class. Class. So it's CL. Excellent. Okay. After that, we have this animal. Okay. And tell me, are they GR, CR, GL, or CL? Okay. Now let's listen.
Crab. Crab.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the two missing letters here? Yes, crab. So it's what? CR. Excellent. So we have CR. So it's crab, crab. Excellent. Okay. After that, we have this. Okay. Let's listen and tell me after that.
Glass. Glass.
Okay. So it's glass. Glass. Okay. What are the two missing letters? Glass. GL. Excellent. So we have GL here. Okay. The last one here. Okay. Let's listen and tell me after that.
Grass. Grass.
Okay, it's grass. Grass. What are the two missing letters here? They are G and R. Excellent. So we have GR. Grass. Grass. Excellent. Okay. Now let's read them one by one. So we have class. Class. Say it with me. Class. Crab. 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 Glass. Glass. Grass. grass. Excellent. Okay. Now, word making game. Number 3, listen to the teacher and hold up the letters. Okay, so I will say bag, bag, and you will tell me a letter by letter. What are the letters for bag? It's what? B. Excellent. A. And we have G. Excellent. So we have B, A, G. That's what? Bag. Okay. What about cat? Okay, cat, cat. Okay, what are the letters of cat? C. Excellent. A. And we have T. Excellent. So we have C, A, T, and this is cat. This is a cat. Excellent. Okay. Now we have number 1, listen and practice. So we have this. What is this? Can you tell me? This is cat. Excellent. We have cat. Okay. What is this? This is goat. Goat. Okay. What about this? This is cake. Cake. Okay. What is this? Gorilla. Gorilla. Okay. What about this? What is this? This is a cap. Excellent. Cap. Okay. And who's this? This is what? A girl. Girl. Excellent. Okay. Now, what we will do, you will tell me, is it C or G? Listen and circle C or G. Okay. Number 1, we have this. We have a cat here. Is it C or G? What do you think? It's C. Excellent. So we have C for cat. Excellent. Number 2, is it C or G? What is this? This is goat. Okay. It's starting with G. Excellent. We have G here. Okay. After that, number 3, what is this? This is a cake. Okay. And can you tell me, is it C or G? C. That's right. So it's starting with C. Cake. Okay. What about gorilla? Gorilla. C or G? G. Excellent. So we have G here. What about cap here? Cap. C. That's right. So we have C here. Okay. Number 6, we have girl. Girl. Okay. It's C or G? G. Excellent. So we have G. Girl. That's right. Okay. Number 3, write the missing letters C or G, trace, copy. So we have like this. We have at. Is it C or G? What do you think? At. Yes, it's what? C. So we have cat here. Excellent. So we have C, then A, T. How to write it? So between line 2 and 3, C, A, and T. Okay. And the T, you can write it in 2 ways. You can write T like this or like this. Okay. This is correct and this is correct. Okay. Listen, point, and practice, trace. So we have number 1, cat, cake, cat, cake. Number 2, can you read this? Gorilla. Excellent. And goat. That's right. Number 3, we have cake. What is this? Cap. Excellent. Number 4, what is this? Cat. And we have cap. Excellent. Number 5, girl and goat. Excellent. Okay. Now, what are the objects of our lesson today? So, read words with the letters A and A with E. Also, read words with the letters I and I with E. Okay, so we have 4 ways to read them. So, okay, on page 91, page 91, okay, today we have phonics practice, okay, words with AE, IE, long vowels. Okay, now, let's take them one by one. So, number 1, listen, point, and say. Listen, point, and say. Okay, so now we have A. We have, what is this? This is A, okay? And A here is pronounced in 2 ways, okay? So we have this and this. This is called what? Tap. tap, okay? When you open the tap to get water. So this is called tap, okay? What about this? This is called what? Tape. This is called what? Tape. Okay, so look at here. We have A and we have A. But here we says tap and here it says A, tape. Okay, why? Because we have A here, but after that we have E. If you have A, then any letter here, then E, you will pronounce A as A. But if you don't have E, you will say A. Okay, like here. We have what? Tap, tap. Okay, if I have E here, I will say tape, A. Okay, A. But if I don't have E, I will say what? Tap, tap, not tape, tap, tap. Okay, so this is tap and this is tape. Why tape? A, because we have E here. Okay, now we have the same letters A. Here what does it mean? Means what? It is any letter here, maybe B, C, D, any letter, okay? So here is any letter, okay? Now, we have this word. Can you read this? Is it tap or tape? It's tap. Excellent. So we have a tap here. What about this? This is tape. Tape. Excellent. So we have why A not A? Because we have E in here. Okay. Now, what is this? Cap. Cap. Excellent. What about this? It's what? Cape. Cap. Cape. Cap. Cape. What is the difference? The difference is what? The letter E here. Okay. So, cape, cap. Okay. What is this? A apple. A apple. Excellent. What about this? This is vase. Vase. Why? Because we have E. Okay. So I pronounced the letter A as A. Okay. But here we have A. But do we have E in here? No. So I will say A, not A. A apple. The vase. Vase. Okay. We have A, letter E. Okay. After that we have this. What is this? This is rat. Excellent. Right. Rat. And what about this? This is rate. Rate. So we have rat, rate, rat, rate. Excellent. Okay. Now we have some words you can practice with them. Okay. Can you read this? This is fat. This is fate. This is car. This is care. This is fame. And this is far. This is fair. So far, fair, fat, fate. Okay. We have mat, mate, mat, mate. Okay. What is this? And. Excellent. And. Okay. What about this? This is Jane. Jane. What about this? Jan. Jane. Jan. Cat. Hat. And we have hate. Hat. Hate. Excellent. Okay. Now let's move to the letter I. I. Okay. So we have I also. It has two sounds. Okay. So we have a baby here. Okay. And we have, yes, a clock there. Okay. Now the baby, his name is what? Tim. Tim. Okay. And the clock tells us the time. The time. Okay. So we have Tim and we have time. Why did I say I here E and the I here as I? Because we have E. Okay. So here in Tim we don't have E in here. Okay. We don't have E. So it's what? Tim. E. E. Tim. But here time. I. Why did I say I? Because we have E in here. Okay, so this is time, time, and here's what? Tim, Tim, time, Tim, time. Excellent. Okay. Now, the same rule, the same grammar. If you have I, then any letter here, then E, you will say I. You will say I. Let's practice. So we have here fine, fine, and here is what? Fin, fine, fin. We have E in here. Okay. After that we have time. Excellent. And we have Tim. We have ink. Excellent. Okay. So those are the words here. So let's practice. We have hike, hike. We have mic. Excellent. We have ring. Excellent. Not ring. Ring. We have ride, ride. We have red, red. We have ice. Excellent. Ice. We have price, price. We have brick, brick. We have in. Okay, and we have side, side. Okay, we have here kite, kite. We have pick, pick. Okay, we have tiger, tiger. We have five, five. And we have if. Excellent. Okay, the same page 91, question number 2. Look at the picture and circle the right word, then listen and check. Okay, so number 1, we have 4 words here. We have snack, snake, sack, shake. Okay, now listen and tell me which one is the word here. Okay, let's start.
Snake, snake.
Okay, snake. Where is snake here? Yes, this is a snake. That's right. Okay. Number 2, we have Kate, cake, Kate, cake. Okay. Now let's listen.
Cake, cake.
Okay, where is cake here? Yes, excellent. So this is the cake. That's right. Okay. 3, we have hate, take, hat, hit. Okay, let's listen.
Hat, hat.
So hat, what is hat? Yes, excellent. So this is a hat. That's right. Okay. Number 4, tap, tape, pat, pate. Let's listen.
Tape, tape.
Okay, tape. What is tape here? Yes, excellent. This is a tape. That's right. Okay. Number 5, we have sight, sight, sit, tis. Okay, let's listen.
Sit, sit.
Okay, sit. What is sit? Yes, excellent. So this is a sit. That's right. Okay. Number 6, we have nil, nile, line, line. Let's listen.
Line, line.
Okay, what is the correct word here? Line? Yes, excellent. So this is line. Okay. So what did you learn today? How to read words with the letters A and AE. Read words with the letters I and I with E. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.